Alanya, a picturesque coastal town on Turkey's southern Mediterranean coast, is a destination that seamlessly blends natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant modern culture. Nestled between the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea and the rugged Taurus Mountains, Alanya is known for its stunning beaches, ancient fortresses, and lively bazaars. This comprehensive travel guide will take you through 15 must-visit attractions and tourist spots in Alanya, each offering a unique glimpse into the town's history, culture, and natural beauty. 1. Alanya Castle. Alanya Castle, perched high on a rocky peninsula overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, is the town's most iconic landmark. This ancient fortress, with its massive walls and towers, dates back to the 13th century when it was built by the Seljuk Sultan Alaaeddin Keykubat. The castle's strategic location offers breathtaking views of the sea, the town below, and the surrounding countryside. Visitors can explore the well-preserved ruins, including the inner fortress, known as İçkale, which houses the remains of a Byzantine church, cisterns, and various other structures. The castle's walls stretch for over 6 kilometers and encompass numerous towers, gates, and courtyards. 2. Cleopatra Beach. Cleopatra Beach, one of Alanya's most famous and beautiful beaches, is named after the legendary Egyptian queen, who is said to have swum in its crystal-clear waters. This stunning stretch of golden sand extends for nearly 2 kilometers along the western side of the Alanya Peninsula. The beach is known for its fine sand, calm waters, and the dramatic backdrop of Alanya Castle. Cleopatra Beach is a favorite spot for sunbathing, swimming, and enjoying a variety of water sports, including parasailing and jet skiing. The beach is also lined with restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it a perfect place to relax and soak up the Mediterranean sun. 3. Damlada's Cave. Damlada's Cave, located just a short walk from Cleopatra Beach, is one of Alanya's most intriguing natural attractions. Discovered in 1948 during the construction of Alanya's harbor, this limestone cave is known for its stunning stalactites and stalagmites, which have formed over thousands of years. The cave's constant temperature of around 22 degrees Celsius and its high humidity are believed to have therapeutic properties, particularly for those suffering from respiratory conditions such as asthma. Visitors can explore the cave's main chamber, which is illuminated to highlight the intricate formations, creating a magical and otherworldly atmosphere. 4. The Red Tower, or Kuzul Kule, is one of Alanya's most distinctive landmarks, standing proudly at the entrance to the town's harbor. This octagonal, red brick tower was built in the 13th century by the Seljuks to protect the harbor from naval attacks. The tower stands 33 meters high and offers panoramic views of the harbor, the sea, and the surrounding mountains. Inside, the Red Tower houses the Alanya Ethnographic Museum, which showcases traditional Turkish artifacts, including clothing, weapons, and household items. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower for stunning views and a closer look at the tower's impressive architecture. 5. Alanya Harbor. Located at the foot of the Alanya Peninsula, is a bustling hub of activity and one of the town's most vibrant areas. The harbor is lined with colorful fishing boats, luxury yachts, and traditional wooden gullets, creating a picturesque scene that captures the essence of Alanya's coastal charm. The harbor is also home to a variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars, where you can enjoy fresh seafood sip on a Turkish tea or indulge in some local cuisine while watching the boats come and go. From the harbor, you can take boat tours along the coast, explore nearby caves, or simply relax and enjoy the lively atmosphere. 6. The Alanya Archaeological Museum is a treasure trove of artifacts that showcase the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. Located in the town center, the museum houses a diverse collection of exhibits, ranging from ancient Roman and Byzantine relics to Ottoman-era artifacts. The museum's displays include statues, mosaics, pottery, coins, and jewelry, providing a comprehensive overview of the area's history from ancient times to the present day. One of the museum's highlights is the bronze statue of Heracles, a remarkable example of ancient Greek sculpture. The museum also features an ethnographic section that offers insight into the traditional way of life in Alanya and the surrounding region. 7. Dim Cave. Dim Cave, located about 12 kilometers from Alanya, is one of the largest and most impressive caves in Turkey. This massive limestone cave stretches for over 350 meters and features a series of stunning chambers filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and underground lakes. The cave's cool temperature and awe-inspiring formations make it a popular destination for visitors seeking to escape the heat and explore one of nature's wonders. The cave's main chamber is illuminated to highlight the intricate formations, creating a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere. At the end of the cave, you'll find a small lake surrounded by towering stalagmites, offering a peaceful and serene setting. 8. Alanya Bazaar. The Alanya Bazaar is a lively and colorful market that offers a true taste of Turkish culture and commerce. Located in the heart of the town, the bazaar is a bustling hub of activity, where you can find everything from fresh produce and spices to textiles, jewelry, and souvenirs. The bazaar is a great place to practice your bargaining skills, as haggling is a common and expected part of the shopping experience. The market's narrow streets are lined with stalls and shops, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. 9. Alanya Aqua Park. Alanya Aqua Park is a fun-filled destination for families and thrill seekers, offering a wide range of water attractions and activities. The park features a variety of water slides, including high-speed rides for adrenaline junkies and gentler options for younger children. In addition to the slides, the Aqua Park has a wave pool, lazy river, and several swimming pools, providing plenty of opportunities for relaxation and recreation. The park also offers a range of amenities, including restaurants, snack bars, and sun loungers, making it a perfect place to spend a day with family or friends. 10. Sapadere Canyon. Located about 40 kilometers from Alanya, is a stunning natural attraction that offers a peaceful escape into the heart of nature. The canyon is surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation, with a crystal-clear stream running through its length. Visitors can explore the canyon via a well-maintained wooden walkway that winds through the gorge, offering spectacular views of the rock formations, waterfalls, and natural pools. The highlight of the canyon is the Sapadere Waterfall, where you can take a refreshing dip in the cool, clear water. 11. The Alanya Cable Car, also known as the Alanya Teleferic, offers a thrilling and scenic ride from the beach to the top of the Alanya Peninsula, where Alanya Castle is located. The cable car ride provides stunning panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, the town, and the surrounding mountains. The ride takes about 5 minutes and offers a unique perspective on the town's landscape. Once at the top, you can explore Alanya Castle, enjoy the views, or relax at one of the cafes. 12. The Dim River. Located in the foothills of the Taurus Mountains, is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, offering a cool and refreshing escape from the heat of the Mediterranean sun. The river is lined with traditional Turkish restaurants and tea gardens, many of which have platforms and seating areas built directly over the water. Visitors can enjoy a meal or a drink while dipping their feet in the cool river water, or simply relax and take in the natural beauty of the surroundings. The Dim River is also a great spot for picnicking, swimming, and fishing, with several areas designated for these activities. Whether you're looking to enjoy a leisurely day by the water or explore the natural beauty of the area, the Dim River offers a perfect retreat. 13. Alanya Dolphinarium. Alanya Dolphinarium is a family-friendly attraction that offers visitors the chance to see and interact with dolphins, seals, and other marine animals. The dolphinarium hosts daily shows where these intelligent and playful creatures perform a variety of tricks and acrobatics, delighting audiences of all ages. The facility also offers interactive programs, including opportunities to swim with dolphins, which provide a unique and memorable experience. The dolphinarium is committed to education and conservation, with programs designed to raise awareness about marine life and the importance of protecting the ocean. 14. Alanya Castle. Alanya Castle is a hidden gem located about 30 kilometers from Alanya, perched on a steep hill overlooking the Alanya River. This medieval fortress was built in the 12th century by the Seljuks and served as a strategic outpost on the trade route between Anatolia and the Mediterranean. The castle's remote location and rugged terrain make it a challenging but rewarding destination for adventurous travelers. The hike to the top of the castle offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside and the river below. The castle's well-preserved walls, towers, and gates provide a fascinating glimpse into the military architecture of the Seljuk period. 15. Enriching Beach. Enriching Beach, located about 25 kilometers west of Alanya, is a beautiful and tranquil beach known for its fine golden sand and shallow, clear waters. The name Enriching means fine sand in Turkish, and the beach lives up to its name, offering a soft and inviting shoreline that is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and beach games. The calm waters and gentle slope make Enriching Beach ideal for families with children, while the surrounding pine forests provide shade and a refreshing natural setting. The beach is also equipped with amenities such as sun loungers, umbrellas, and beachfront cafes, making it a comfortable and enjoyable destination for a day by the sea. Alanya is a destination that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a perfect choice for travelers seeking a diverse and enriching experience. This travel guide has taken you through 15 of the town's most captivating attractions and tourist spots, each offering a different perspective on what makes Alanya such a special place. Whether you're exploring ancient fortresses, relaxing on sun-kissed beaches, or immersing yourself in the local culture, Alanya promises an unforgettable journey filled with discovery, adventure, and beauty. From the heights of Alanya Castle to the depths of Dim Cave, Alanya is a destination that will leave you enchanted and eager to return.